Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in our last video, we washed the Dodge. In this video, we're just going to do a quick wash on the Mustang. I've already shown you guys how to properly wash it and everything, but now, once I wash this one and get it all done, wheels, tires, paint, etc., I'm going to show you a little bit more in depth, like with all the creases and clay bar. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask. I'm trying to do this. If you didn't know, I am a medically retired veteran. I served in the Air Force. So now this is all I can do. So please. Okay, first off, I want to say I'm not a professional by any means, like at all. I just do my best and try to get it to look as good as I can. But I don't have a shop, you know? So it's not like it's gonna be perfect. And my towels are junk. But I tried. I'm gonna spend some more time trying to dry it and whatnot. But there was actually a part of it where I ran out of gas in the power washer. I know, unprepared. Whoops. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I'm not going to be able to get to the clay bar. I thought I had some, but I guess I didn't. So I apologize for that. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. There's not really much to do. So if you guys could drop some ideas, some things that you want to see, and you know, I'll look at it. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.